House alarm systems often beep due to low battery in sensors or the main control panel. Modern systems use primary AC power with battery backups, often lithium ion for longer life, 5 to 7 years, crucial for redundancy. The alarm enters trouble mode when components deplete, emitting beeps. First, identify the source using the alarm panel's display or app for error codes like low battery or AC failure. Common culprits include sensor batteries, lasting 1 to 2 years, and backup batteries, 3 to 5 years. Regular monitoring via mobile apps provides real-time battery level notifications, minimizing downtime. Brands like ADT, Vivint, and Ring offer firmware updates with automated battery diagnostics, alerting users pre-failure. Replace dead batteries and sensors with fresh ones, such as CR123A or AA types. For the control panel, replace the backup battery if voltage drops below 12 volts. Test with a multimeter. Power cycle the panel by unplugging it, removing the backup battery, waiting 30 seconds, then reconnecting to reset the system. For unstable primary power, inspect wiring or consider a UPS. Regular battery checks every 6 months are vital. Prevent sensor obstruction, as interference mimics low battery signals. Advanced systems use AI for predictive maintenance. Ignoring low battery warnings creates vulnerabilities.